Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Infinix Note 30 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and here we have to find the display and brightness. Now let's scroll down to find screen timeout and enter. Just by tapping, of course. And as you can see here, we've got more screen timeout options from which we can choose. So at the top, we've got relatively short options, and at the bottom, the longest one, which is also currently set, 30 minutes. And all you have to do in order to change the screen timeout is to tap on the option you'd like to use. So I will pick 2 minutes, for example, and as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on, after 2 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.